Okay, there's a shelf. Locked in, straight, square, as good as it can get. And now the framing is all straight and square as it can get. Some of these boards are twisted a little, so it was awkward trying to get the right measurement, but I did my best. And now, once I toenail them in, all of them, a couple of them aren't yet because I can't reach. Once those are toenailed in, that's going to help support everything. The whole greenhouse will be stronger now for it. And with the angle of sunlight coming down, even on pretty high midday, we're going to still have, the angle of the sun can really be up, and we'll still get sunlight all the way on these beds. Perfect. So I got the call for dinner, so I got to go in. But I'm very happy with the results so far. This is going to extremely very much extend the amount of growing space we have in our greenhouse. So hopefully I'll finish this yet tonight, if the daylight allows, and we'll get this done. And it's going to be great. So I've got another row going up. I've got it all marked out where everything goes. So now it's just a matter of putting them on. That's not steady yet on the base. I have to toenail these in when I'm done. Again, once this is all locked in, these are all getting a treatment of nails. The screws are to help me hold this stuff together until I get it stabilized. Then we're getting nails. Now I'm racing against time. It's going on 8 o'clock. It's my first day back to work. Pushing it hard. Oh, I do have to toenail it in. Oh, the screw came undone. Need a longer screw in this one. Actually, might have to, I don't know, this popple, the popple isn't holding the screws at all. It's not good at all. Pine is good, but the popple doesn't hold the screws. Just happens to be what I got. Oh, alright, pause camera, lost my bit. Oh boy. So, some of these have nails, some are pretty broke up. This one, the nails ripped through it all. I've got to cut off the broken end. I have, no, that one's wrecked. This one's got nails. 2. I need 2 more. You might notice I'm not as flexible. I'm not moving my ankle as much. I'm not sitting down on the ground as I used to, so it's a lot more strain on my knees. I need 1 more. I used to get right down and sit down in the dirt comfortable, but it'll come back. I'm getting better. I had to get 1 more cut. There they are. Making a shelf. I don't know if those will bother me or not. This one's sort of split, but down the middle a little, but that won't hurt a thing. Racing against time. I need 6 boards before dark. I think I'll get it. I still gotta clean up. Take that one and measure it up for size. Well guys, last cut. Last cut of the project. Last cut of the day. Well, let's go put it in together. Let me slip by you here. The last board, last cut goes up here. Now I still got to do nails tomorrow. Hope that fits. Oh yeah, it does. All right. I'll straighten it all out tomorrow. I've got to do nails. So let me show you around. So, I made one little change, and that only has a single board, because that way the sun can hit everything on that shelf. But the next shelves are perfectly fine, and way up there. Those are great. So everything's going to get perfect sunlight. And we brought out Melanie's seedlings. Some of them. She's got more. And we'll finish putting them out tomorrow. And then, I don't know, there's one mung bean survived. It's harsh here. It's very harsh. And the mung beans are a warm climate plant. But and we'll see what we can do now that I'll be improving this more and more. But there's the shelves, 4 high, 80 inches high. Now I can reach up there. You know, it's good for starting seeds, at least for the garden. We can now, tomorrow we can get seedlings going and keep them out here. So we have room for 6, 9, well, 6, 12, 18, 21. We have room for 21 trays. I think that's alright. And I still got to get all kinds of things out here. Carrots and tomatoes, and she's got some beans. I want to sprout some corn. Get a head start by sprouting corn. I won't do them in starter trays, but I'm going to sprout them and then pop them in the garden, because that'll give us a faster jump start on growing. But it's hard to give you the full overview. But I'm happy. And the greenhouse is more rigid. Tying that in. I'll do that all tomorrow. Toenailing them in. The other ones I didn't get. This is going to be rock solid. I mean, look at that. 4 2x6s going down to the earth. All the way down. I mean, it never had any trouble before. But now I've got the other roof half covered. So we're never going to have trouble with a snow load on this. There we go. Let me see if we can get a view through the window. I don't know if that shows up very well. There's a bit of glare. But yeah, I think you can see in there now. I'm happy. I'm very pleased with it. Well guys, there's our greenhouse coming along well. Now it's watertight. No rainwater gets in here at all now. And which means I have to water the plants daily. Or every second day, because the straw is helping a lot. And now we've got plenty of room to start our seeds, and plenty of room for storage in the back. I'm liking it. Well, thanks for watching, guys. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. And a greenhouse is going to help us towards self-sufficiency. Talk to y'all later.